Here is a short video clip showing the outcome of sun tunnel installation. In this particular installation we have used a 14-inch flexible TWF Velux Sun Tunnel. Before, this shows how dark and dull this area was before installation and after. As you can see, the dramatic results following the sun tunnel installation, the result is instant. Why not brighten your day and visit our online survey for a free quotation? This job was fitted for Mid South in Grade 10, Kent, and this particular day, it was a dull day, there was no sunshine. This was the worst possible day we had, and still showed dramatic light coming through. As evidence, we are now going to show you the flexible in the loft. Here is the flexible tunnel coming through the roof into the loft area and now emerging into the ceiling area. As you can see, the dramatic results again showing. We showed you pictures of the downstairs landing, we're now going to show you the upstairs landing. This whole area has been lit up by this TWF flexible tunnel. So this not only is this lit up downstairs, it's also lit upstairs. So why not brighten your day and visit our online survey for a free quotation?